boys and girls. Welcome to week 7 of online learning. Today is Monday, and today you need to go and grab your math packet. You're going to have to do your math worksheets this week as a math review today. So let me share my screen with you and show you what you'll be working on. Okay, so right here, as you can see, you're going to find the first one is hours and minutes. It says page 1 of 2. So make sure that you read the directions carefully just to help you out. I'm going to read these for you. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. Use that information to help solve the word problems below. For each problem, you need to do these things. Write an equation to match each problem and solve it. Write the answer on the line. Okay, so right here, we're going to do first letter A together. James stayed at the after-school club for 2 hours on Tuesday. How many minutes was James at the after-school club? So if we have 2 hours, and 2 hours is 2 groups of 60. So my equation would be 2 times 60, and I know that 2 times 6 is 12, and loop over the 0 for the 0 trick, and we know that 60 plus 60 is 120, so then I can write. So did I write my equation? Yes. Did I solve it? Yes. Did I write the answer on the line? Not yet. James was at the after-school club on Tuesday for 120 minutes. So you're going to be solving these problems just like that. Now we're going to go to hours and minutes. Mrs. Ramos went out shopping at the time shown on the first clock. She came back at the time shown on the second clock. So first we read the time on this clock. So we know that the hour is the shorthand and minute is the longhand. Hour is the short word, so it gets the shorthand. Minute is a longer word, so it gets the longer hand. So we're going to look at our hour first. It's pointing between the 8 and the 9. It's still in the 8 o'clock hour. It hasn't hit 9 o'clock yet, so we're at 8 o'clock. And I see my minute is on the 9. Well, what is 9 times 5? 45. Good. So 8:45 is our start time. And then we have the second clock here. We can look and we see this is in the 10 o'clock hour. And we can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15. So 10:15. So now we're going to use a number line to find time between 8:45 and 10:15. How many hours was Mrs. Ramos out shopping, and how do you figure it out? So now we know our start and our end, and we're going to start with 8:45 to 10:15. So I'm going to go 9:45, and then I'm going to jump 15 minutes, 1 hour. 15 minutes would just be 10 o'clock, and then 15 more would be 10:30. So the total time would be 2 hours and 30 minutes. And the way that I solved it was a timeline. So you're going to do the second part here. You're going to talk about how many minutes with that. You're going to add your 60 plus 60 plus 30 to find your work here. And then you're going to solve for your missing numbers down here. If you have any questions about any of these, you can ask us on our Flipgrid. Okay, so then the second page that you're going to do today, it's really quickly, you're just matching your times, what time is it here and here, and you're solving this. Remember to take your time and read. And make sure that you finish this and then show us these on your Flipgrid. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can also comment below this video and ask questions there if you have a specific question that is just something really quick, or if you need to be something really explicitly explained, ask us on the Flipgrid. Thank you and have a great day. Learn a lot.